Hi, I'm Jenny Allred with the Allred Group at Coldwell Banker West Shell. I'm here at 531 Milton Street in Prospect Hill. This house is super cool and I can't wait to show you. The amenities are amazing and the view is absolutely stunning. So come on, let's go take a look. This great family room has modern features and yet still the charm, the exposed brick. Walks out to this amazing bar that has great views of downtown. It also features a half bath on the main floor. There is so much to love in this kitchen. The tall ceilings, the large island, the KitchenAid high-end appliances with the gas range. The guest bedroom at the back of the house has a deck that overlooks downtown Cincinnati and sits right within the tree line. It's really such a beautiful view. This master is absolutely amazing. The panoramic views of downtown. It's really something that you are not going to get anywhere else in the city. The beautifully updated master bath features double sinks, a double shower head shower, beautiful tile, and a walk-in closet. This really is a spectacular space. This really is a home that you can live in, entertain in, and really enjoy.